Hello, this is Julius from Basic Financials. Today I'm going to do a video, an update about gift aid donations. Somebody had some questions from a previous video where I was talking about making gift aid donations, and it's really concentrating on the situation where have you paid enough tax to be correctly saying you want to gift aid your donation. Now, it's very important that if you don't pay tax, you shouldn't be gift aiding your donations. And that's because the charity that you're donating to should only be reclaiming tax on the basis that that tax has been paid in the first place. Otherwise, the government will be out of the pocket by quite a bit. So the other thing is you've got to have paid enough tax to cover the tax that's being reclaimed. So just as a reminder, when you make a donation and you do it under gift aid, to do it under gift aid, you will actually have had to have confirmed that you want to do it under gift aid. You have to tick a box somewhere and give them your details. So you shouldn't be doing this. You shouldn't be making a gift aid donation without knowing about it. So be careful when you do the donation. So let's say you're doing it under gift aid donation. If you were to gift, let's say £80, I'm just saying that to make it an easier number. That's treated, if it's under gift aid, as having been paid net of basic rate tax. Now, basic rate tax is 20% at the moment. So if you've paid £80 and that's treated as net, then the gross amount of the donation is £100. So £100, 20% tax relief, £20. So you've paid £80. The charity will get the £80, and they will also reclaim £20 from the government. And you're treated as having already had tax relief on your £100 donation, so because you've only paid £80. So you can probably see if the charity's going to reclaim £20 on your £80 donation because you've paid tax of £20, you need to have paid £20 tax in the first place. So if you're not a taxpayer because your income's not enough, or you've done things in your tax to make it that there's not enough. For example, you might put all of your taxable income into pension contributions, which would reduce your tax. So you need to make sure you've paid, in that case, at least £20 in tax. Now, it could get quite different if you've done things. If say you're a big earner and you've done things to reduce your tax bill, and you've actually made a very big donation, you've got to make sure that, and you're doing it under gift aid, you've got to make sure that you've paid that amount of tax that the charity is going to reclaim, or you could end up, anybody, if you haven't paid enough tax, you are actually responsible for covering that amount that's not been paid. So if the charity is claiming back £20 and you've only paid £10, the HMRC are quite entitled to come to you and say, well, actually you owe us £10, because the charity's claimed back 20, you only paid 10, and you said you wanted to gift aid it, so therefore you owe us £10. And obviously, if the donations get bigger, those amounts get quite high. So hopefully that will sort of address that question that the person asked me, and also make it a bit clearer why it's very important to make sure that you've paid the amount of tax that the charity is going to reclaim, because you are responsible for making good any amount that's short. So be careful. I hope that's clear. Like and subscribe as usual. Any questions in the box below, and I'll see you again soon on another video.